Today in this video we are going to see the exercise of the chapter crop production and management. Okay, so here first we have to select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. So we have to fill up the blanks here. So let us see. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called as what? So here we are having options. So if you remember, so the same plants in a particular area in a large scale, what we are going to call it as? We are going to call it as crop, right? So next, the first step before sowing or growing crop is called as what? So what is the first step? Preparation of the soil, right? So what is second? Sowing the seeds. Third, adding fertilizers and manure. Okay. Fourth one is harvesting. And next we are having storage, right? So the first step here is preparation of soil. Here preparation of the soil. So next we are having damaged seeds would dash on top of water. So we have did one activity, right, to see whether good quality seeds and the bad quality seeds. What we did, we have taken water and we have put some seeds into the water. What happened to the seeds? Few seeds are settled into the water and few seeds are going to float on the water. So the seeds, damaged seeds are going to float on the water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential. So for the growth of the plant, mainly what we require? We require sunlight, right? Then what we require? We require water and nutrients, right? Nutrients that are present in the soil or externally we are going to supply it. So we require sunlight and water and nutrients. Okay. So next, coming to the measure following, we have to match up these things. So kharif crops are here itself paddy and maize. Okay. Rabi crops, wheat, gram, pea. Chemical fertilizers, okay, urea and super phosphate. Organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. So this is the fourth one. 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Food for cattle is nothing but what? Fodder. Okay. Now give two examples of each. Kharif crop. So you can see in the same match the following only. So paddy and maize are kharif crops. Rabi crops, two they asked, so you can go for wheat and pea. Okay. So this question number 4 and remaining we are going to see in the next video. Just we'll go for the question number 11. Complete the word puzzle here. We are going to see this. So down is nothing but in this manner. Okay. In this manner we are going to see. Across is nothing but this manner. Okay. Now let us see. Down manner, providing water to the crops is nothing but what? Irrigation, right? Okay, this is irrigation. Next, keeping crop grains for a long time under proper conditions is nothing but storage. Okay, last step, we have to store the grains. Okay, next, certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale, you know it, crop. Now let us see. Across, a machine used for cutting the matured crop. What it is? Harvester. Okay. A rabi crop, that is also one of the pulse. What it is? Gram. A process of separating the grain from chaff is nothing but what it is? Winnowing. Got it? So this is the word puzzle. Okay.